Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you're an old subscriber. So today guys, I wanted to show you how I have so much hair care products because I realized over the past year and a half I've been crazy good at getting so many hair care products and tools even. So I wanted to show you guys what I do. If you watched my last Shea Moisture haul video, my mini haul for the Manuka Honey line, I told you guys how I go to Walgreens and get them when they're on discount and pretty much pay less than half the price for them at the end when I coupon and discount. So I'm gonna go around show you guys how I shop and where I get those discounts and coupons overall. So the first thing I wanted to show you guys is my shelf of products. This is everything pretty much I have. There's a couple of stragglers that are in the shower. They're not there, but it's a few things here and there. But this is pretty much my mass hair care products, everything that I use on a daily basis in products that I have stored away that I've gotten on discount. So if you guys can see, I have a couple of lines that I do like Garnier, Shea Moisture. The TGIN, I only have that one product of it, but I did used to have a couple more. And Suave, I even use Tresemme, guys. I have the Aussie product line, which is one of my favorite discount lines at the store. I have an old video on there, guys. I show you discount products that work great, that are under $10. That's part of it. And that Aussie line. So I love all different types of hair care products. And I do go out and buy quite a bit of different hair care products because of what my hair needs, or if I need a quick wash day based on needs overall. So when I shop, I look at what I need and what's on sale and put those two together and what I can discount and coupon and rebate. And this is how I end up with this massive shelf of product, guys. Now, moving on to how I get those products. One of the things I started doing last year, and I also had a video on there, guys, show you I started a little box, is learning to coupon. That's something I never used to do in the past, really. If there was a coupon on a product at the store, once in a while I would do it, but I never got into it. But with everything happening, I needed to save as much money as possible. So what I did was learn to do coupons, rebates, and look at what the stores had to offer, because it was a big deal, guys. I couldn't go to the store and spend $30, $40, $50, almost $100 sometimes, depending on what I buy on hair care products. I needed to save. So I looked into couponing, and one of the cool things I found was the Sunday paper coupon. I never read the Sunday paper, but the inserts in there are everything. That's what you want, because the inserts are the one that's going to have the great coupons. And do they have amazing coupons in there? Because you'll go to the store and there's a product that's, let's say they're $4. There could be a coupon on there for $2, $3 where you're paying almost nothing. Now, the beauty about this is pairing it with the Ibotta app. Guys, I'm going to mention this every time I do a discount savings video. This is not sponsored because I use this all the time. That's why I'm mentioning it. If you look down below on the links, guys, you'll see that I do have a code. If you use my code on there, I do get some rebates back because you use it, or just sign up for the app. Now, whenever you use Ibotta, let's say you get a product, it's $4 at the store, and you have a coupon from the Sunday paper, you get $2 off. So you would be paying $2 if you bought that product plus tax. But if you use the Ibotta app and pair that $2 coupon with the rebates they're giving, sometimes they're giving $1, $2, or 50 cents, then you get that product for free. So this is one of the cool ways to get really cheap product, if not free. And the best part about that is sometimes you can get money back. Like, you could be making money. So if you pair a $2 coupon with a $3 rebate that they're giving you on the app, that's $5, and the product costs $4. You just made $1 for buying something you would have bought anyway. Now, make sure, guys, when you go to the store, I did it a couple of times when I first started doing it because I was too excited, but please save. Don't buy products that you don't need. Buy things that you're actually going to use, and make sure that you don't overspend money. I always make a list of what I need, check out the coupons before I go to the store and see what they're offering, and then use those. So do that and not spend too much money, guys. Go ahead and actually do your receipts so you can get your rebates back from Ibotta. So that's how you get your money back, and you just send it back to your PayPal or your bank account. Super easy, super fast. Never takes more than 3 days, something of that nature, for me to go to my account. So it's not something you have to wait too much on. And the best part about that is I love using that app, because what I do is after a couple of months of using it, you get a free grocery shopping out of your own money. money back, because all that money you're spending, you get some of it back, and that's how you save. This is what I wanted to show you guys today, because I wanted to show you guys, when you always see me using new products, you always see me using all type of different products, I do figure out how to save on it, how to get the best discount out of it. And I wanted to make a video just to tell you guys how I do that, basically. So when you go to the store, guys, first is download the app. I'm gonna have the link down for you guys below. You can go ahead and download that as well. Just click on it, but you're gonna go download that app. Make sure you have it on your phone, and what you do is look for the Sunday paper. And another cool thing I'm gonna give you guys is I actually have a link. It actually shows you what's gonna be on the Sunday paper, because one thing I don't like to do is waste time, because I don't have it to waste. So you can actually look up what coupons are coming up before you get the Sunday paper. So if it's a paper that doesn't have anything you need or want, you don't have to worry about buying it. It is $2 to get the paper, but sometime you can go to the store. One of my Walmarts have it where you can get 2 for $3, or you can get one paper for $2. So it's up to you how you want to buy it, so look out for that. The cool thing about that is sometimes they're having really good coupons that last for a month or more. So if I want to get that product over time, I will get like 2, 4 papers. Sometime it depends. So you can buy as many Sunday papers as you want. Just make sure you're using those coupons as you should, and just get those discounts for them. And another trick is, if your store has rules about how many coupons and things to use, is whenever I go with my sister. She'll take whatever amount that's max and use that, and I'll use the other amount, and that's how we get the full rebates for them. So guys, this is how you save on hair care products, because hair care products, I realize, in tools, everything, they're not cheap. There's coupons for everything, not just hair care. I just wanted to make that video just about hair care. But guys, when you go to the store, go get that Sunday paper, use your rebates. You'll be able to get almost free product, if not money back, for shopping for things you would have gotten anyways. So great way to have everything you want for your hair care needs, but not having to come out of pocket as much as you would. Because guys, I'm telling you, sometimes I go to the store, I fill up my cart, and I'll walk out, I'll pay like $10 for things that should have cost me like $80, because I'm doing coupon and rebate. So try that, see if it helps. Definitely comment down below, guys, if you do that and you get some mad savings, some great discounts. And some of the best places to shop right now are my top places. My first favorite store is actually Walmart, because Walmart, when you go there, they're always having crazy sales on stuff. So even if something already costs $4, you could go to the store, it's costing $2. So this is where you'd make money back, where you have a $2 coupon already and you're getting a rebate. So this is why I love Walmart, hands down. Check out your Walmart. The second store is actually Target, because Target not only has you get the coupon, you can rebate on Ibotta, plus use Target Circle. So that's 3 you get to combine all together. Now the third store to check out is Walgreens. Walgreens is third because they do have amazing clear out discounts, but they always have certain discount on certain days at certain times. So you kind of have to watch your Walgreens, and I don't always have time to do that. But if you can catch them on the right time, they have great clear out discounts, guys. Go and check them out. And there's plenty of other stores. These are just closest stores to me. That's what I always go to. Whole Foods sometimes have some sales, but I really just go to Whole Foods for food. But they do have some great sales sometimes, so do check them out as well. So that's be a couple of different stores around. Check them out. They do have great sales, but those are the 3 stores that I really use coupon and rebates. And another quick little tip, last little tips on these guys. Walgreens do have the Walgreens app, where they give you coupons that you can use. Plus, also, if you use coupons.com, the actual app, I'm going to have a link again down for you guys below. They have rebates as well, where you can get money back. But the catch with the app is, if you use a manufacturer paper coupon, you can't get a rebate on the app, because it's the same coupon. So make sure, guys, you're reading all the rules again to see how you rebate. And if you do it long enough like me, guys, you will figure out how to get the best rebates and make money actually out of this for buying things you would have bought anyways. So guys, if you have any tips and tricks that you use to get great hair care product on a discount, definitely comment down below and let us know. And I do want to say, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if these little tips and tricks help you out a lot. It helps my channel out, definitely. And don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos that are coming out. Always leave all of your comments down below and go over and watch my last video.